In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually cast your laptop to your smart TV. So let's say I have this YouTube tab and I want to cast this one. It's quite easy. You just want to go and click on these three dots, and then in here you want to come here which says cast, save, and share. So click on this cast, and then in here you will have the TV, which the TV is right now in here. Keep looking up there, and let me just click on this one first here. So you see cast, connecting, and then let's see. It's just gonna connect to the TV. All right, so you can see there it says ready to cast. And as you can see, it's now playing here. So it's casting from there. So this is quite easy, and one thing you need to remember, you need to be on the same Wi-Fi connection. Thank you. If this video was helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and subscribe for more.